Juno reports.
This device, named the Raven, is touted as one of the world's smallest industrial drone that does not require GPS. It also comes with accessories such as thermal cameras, gas detectors and more. Its creator, Singapore startup Performance Rotor, says the product is ideal for use in the maritime industry. For example, it can be deployed to carry out checks on vessels and even for maintenance work on facilities like bunkers and cranes.
The advantages of using this drone is in a lot of areas. The very first one is to remove the risk that is faced by workers working at height in confined spaces. Scaffolding work alone can take up to a week to erect and a week to tear down. Right? But using a drone, you don't need a scaffolding. So cost is safe, time is safe, right? And of course the risk is removed. Workers don't have to climb.
The Raven is one of 34 innovations selected by Port XL Singapore, a global company that connects startups with industry players in order to bring such solutions to market.
It's a known fact. There is a lot of inefficiency in this sector. And there are a lot of technologies, especially with blockchain, artificial intelligence, machine learning, that can actually enable all this predictive learning so that you can better estimate or optimize your routes, for example, your shipping routes.
But even as firms here move to adopt digital solutions to better productivity, one industry expert says it is challenging getting all players on board.
The port industry, and it is highly fragmented. There are so many players involved in the whole process, each with their own roles and responsibilities. Everyone treats information that flows down the chain differently with their own processes. A lot of these systems are very old and are quite incompatible with many other systems that other players have, making data transfer quite a pain actually. But I think it takes a village in the shipping community to understand that processes need to be aligned before the solutions can be practically meaningful.
It's also an area that the Sea Transport Industry Transformation Map hopes to solve. One key strategy includes raising connectivity between Singapore and overseas maritime firms. The authority is also currently looking to the digitalization of trade and maritime documents. And with all hands on deck, it's hoped that innovation will take off for the sector.